Apparently, now that I've turned the fucking thing on, then I will start turning on this. Delicious. Okay. Strawberry Fanta. I just read pineapple. Pineapple Fanta is amazing. Watch me fucking choke and die.
Just kidding.
Awesome.
Alright.
Just so you know, there's no things in the world.
I can't even do this. Okay.
Ready? No. I'm gonna fucking die.
You won't die.
Jacob's gonna be so sad.
I love how you bring Jacob into this. Yeah.
We're all possibly
Soda.
gonna fucking miss him.
Soda. Jacob. Soda. Jacob. Soda. Jacob.
Fucking miss him. Fuck. So much I wanna try.
What? You don't even do it.
Stop picking. This is why I have fucked up arms.
I'm gonna try to chug this whole thing and then like. Oh shit! Watch out! I would be like, achoo!
That was all over my forehead. See, that's what I would do, because I would like do that to my dad. No, burping contest. Burping contest. Fuck, that sucks.
I don't think I have anything because I'm laughing.
This is what girls actually do at sleepovers. Oh my god, what the fuck, whore?
What was that?
Like I said, my stomach hurts. Oh! Ellie, come here! I showed Theodore in the last video. You have to get your butt over to look right now.
I'm gonna finish this. There's still a little bit left.
That's a fart!
After all that soda, I only burped tiny-ish.
Fucking fart!
I squeezed it out of you.
Oh god.
Did I hear it?
No, that tickles. No. Actually, no, I don't want to push. I don't want to push now, because then if I shit my pants, I'm gonna be pissed off.
I'll be right back. Tissue!
Oh, fuck. I think I'm a little too blatant on the internet.
My stomach hurts now.
Yeah, my stomach has been hurting, and I still have to fucking fart. Or poop, I don't know which.
I swear to God, this came out my nose. I laughed so hard and it came out my nose. What's the fridge?
Fridge! Fridge!
Okay. Hi.
I'm gonna go poop now. This video was really stupid, but I have to poop now, so bye!
Stop it.
Oh, no.
Okay, maybe you should stop it. It's gonna take that long.
It's probably not gonna take that long, but
oh, there it is.
holy
There it is. Some of it came out my nose. But okay.
Oh, that hurt.
It did. I was like, ow.
Oh, look at this. It hurts right now. I can see it.
Yeah, that's good.
Ah.
There it is.
I'm gonna go poop now. Have fun with the rest of your lives.
Bye.
Have fun with the rest of your lives. Bye.